Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is called riz ou lait, rice pudding or rice with milk. This is actually a French recipe but also a Haitian one, and is basically rice cooked down in coconut milk or regular milk with spices, citrus peel, vanilla, and a little bit of sugar. To start with, our ingredients, we have some rice, of course. You can use any rice that you have. Got some vanilla, got a few different spices here, cinnamon, star anise and nutmeg, some freshly grated ginger, some lemon. I'm using coconut milk to keep this plant-based, but you can use any milk you have. So to start with, we want to make the base for the rice to cook in. So we're going to put some water in the pan and then we're going to flavor this. So we're going to add some ginger, some cinnamon sticks, star anise, and some lemon peel. So you can either grate the lemon or just slice off the peel as I'm doing. Add the peel to the pan, and then we want to bring this water to boil. So again, this is just to get all of the flavors into the water before we add the rice. Next, we're going to take our rice. You don't need to wash it first because this is a sticky rich dish. Keeping the starch in is absolutely fine, and then just bring that up to the boil. Give it a bit of a mix as well so that everything is evenly distributed. Once it's boiling, just reduce the heat, cover it, and then we're going to cook it for about 20 minutes or until all the water has absorbed. Keep an eye on it because you don't want it to stick or burn. So once the water has absorbed, it should look like this, nice and light and fluffy. The next stage is to add the milk to enrich it. So I've got my coconut milk here, and we just want to add that into the pan. Mix that in again, and you can see how now this really is starting to resemble rice pudding. It's quite wet as well. That's how you want it. So if we just take it off the heat to finish off, we're going to add in our vanilla. We're going to grate in our nutmeg. And then you can sweeten it as well at this stage. So I'm using agave, but you can use sugar, honey, maple syrup, whatever you have. Give that a final mix. And then this is basically done. So that is our riz ou lait there, finished. Of course, serve it straight away while it's hot, but you can also have it cold. I know rice pudding isn't actually that bad, cool or at room temperature. And that is it, guys. That is my recipe for riz ou lait, nice and easy. I hope you like this one. I hope you try it as well. Until the next time, peace and love.